Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, January 29, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up just 4.25 points to 26.46 per contract. Markets did come under some pressure yesterday, and we'll see how that plays out today. But right now we do have the futures slightly higher. It's not a big pop by any stretch, but nonetheless, they are in positive territory. We'll see what we get. We have lots of earnings out here today, and we have the big one after the close with Apple. So let's get started. Let's get started with Whirlpool today. WHR reported earnings after the close yesterday. You can see the stock getting hit pretty hard. Closed at $124.46. Now trading at $116.70. So all in all, this is a major haircut for Whirlpool. In fact, I'm not really sure where I see a level until around 107.50. Keep that on the radar today. That's a nice daily chart gap fill. I think that could be pretty solid for a quick bounce. So keep that on the radar today. Whirlpool right around 107.50. Next up, we want to take a look at Lockheed Martin. LMT is a ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 281, closed at 287.85. So when I look at this name, I really can't get interested in it right away. But when I look down the board, I have to think the 270, 271 level looks pretty solid to me. So if it gets there, I would consider it. But again, we'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room. We'll see what the pattern looks like at that time. Next up, I want to take a look at a big home builder here is Pulte Group. Pulte Home was, as it's formerly known. Stock is trading at 26.25. I'm going to have gap levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room on this one. So again, I'm looking a little bit lower, but not too far down. So we'll see if that comes into play. Another stock on our board today is going to be Verizon, the big wireless carrier right now trading at 53.05. I have levels ready to go for this as well. That'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Right now, the stock is trading at 53.05. So again, we do have a little bit lower to go, not a whole lot. This could come into play today, and hopefully we get a nice gap play out of it. Anytime you want to look at Verizon, you also want to look at AT&T. That could trade lower just in sympathy, so we'll keep that one on the radar this morning as well. Let's take a look at SAP. This stock made a move yesterday to the upside. Today it is coming downtown. Closed at 106.94 yesterday, now trading at 102.68. I'm not really seeing a level that gets me all that interested here, but we'll keep it on the radar and we'll see where we go. If we get back down to maybe 96.50, 97 level, I think that's somewhere where I could get interested. But again, this is one where we're going to have to look at it once the opening bell rings a little bit later today. Again, SAP with a pretty good little sell-off. Here's one that's having a good little move to the upside, Xerox. Stock right now is trading at 25.80. Closed yesterday at 24.30. So nice little pop there for Xerox. I happen to think as you get into the 26 area, there's a pretty good amount of resistance here short term, but good little move for Xerox nonetheless. I'm not sure I will do much with that one right now, but I will be looking at it. Next up, I want to take a look at BIIB, which is Biogen. Stock right now is trading at $327.21. Closed at $330. So this is getting hit a little bit. I don't see a whole lot to do here. If this stock got down to say the 300 level today, that's where I do get interested in the name. So keep that on the radar. Until then, I'm not looking to dabble in it at the moment. Let's take a look at Harley-Davidson getting a little bit of a haircut here as well. Stock closed at $36.61. It is now trading at $33.50. Harley coming under a little bit of pressure today. I say a lot of pressure, actually. I'm not seeing a level where I really like this name. So, again, I'm going to be a little bit on the guard and cautious side with it. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Brinker. Ticker symbol is EAT. Stock is trading at 47.01. Closed at 47.44. So there's not a lot we could do with this one right now. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it makes a bigger move. Let's go to 3M here. MMM is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $199 a share, closed at $193.20. So this is a good little pop there for 3M. Again, I have to think as you get into the 200 area, maybe 201, 202, watch for pretty good resistance there. Looks like you got a daily chart, 200 period moving average in play. Next up, we'll take a look at Corning. GLW is a ticker here. Stock made a really good move this morning. I did see it up higher. Now it's trading at 31.31, closed at 30.36. So it's still in positive territory from yesterday's close. But again, I don't think there's a whole lot to do here in this name just now. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. A level I do like, and I don't know if it gets there, would be around 27 bucks. Gets there, I would be all over Corning today. So keep that level on your radar. See if it plays out. Again, 27, I don't know if it gets there, but that is a level I like. We're going to have other levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room this morning. They'll be posted up right a little bit in about 5 or 10 minutes. So, again, be ready for that. And, again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Another dynamite morning yesterday. NVIDIA paying members. And I believe we even got a 3-time play on NVIDIA. So, again, come on over. It's all about the technicals. And, again, this is a very, very technical market. Looking over at gold today, we have gold up $4.20, $1,313 an ounce. That's a pretty good move for gold. If you take a look at the GLD, that's trading at 123.67. Crude oil also getting a pop today, up 51 cents to $52.50 a barrel. Oil was hit yesterday. Take a look at the USO this morning. That's trading at 11.03. So you got gold up, oil up a little bit. The market futures are higher by 475 on the S&P, and we'll see what we get today. Again, Apple after the close. We have the Fed tomorrow. This is a very, very impact week full of good stuff here. So, again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, please do so. We'd love to have you. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.